All right, so one of the unique things about our specific line of Wing Chun, we call it Dragon Family Wing Chun. We're part of the Florida line of the Lung Shung lineage. One of the unique things about our line is our focus on longer range in addition to the more traditional range of Wing Chun. What I want you to understand about this is the concept of range influence that is a part of our line. When you're fighting in different ranges, you cannot keep the same positions, you cannot keep the same priorities, all right? So, traditionally, Wing Chun is a close quarters art. So when you take Wing Chun to a range that is outside of that, or longer than that, is what I'm saying, it's going to take different priorities. Understand that this here is shorter range, okay? This here is longer range. In this longer range, here are a few different things that I want you to focus on. Being more nimble, okay? A mobile stance as you're out here. Mobility, head movement. Get up more on your toes in this longer range. Be springy, be alive. Don't be a sitting duck, okay? Don't be a sitting duck for somebody that has a longer range mentality to be more alive and be more like water than you, okay? Be like water, be fluid, don't be stiff. Juying or squaring up in closer range is a very important part. It's the triangle of Wing Chun. You want that triangle. In longer ranges, that triangle is actually a detriment. I want you to have more of a 45-degree turn to your shoulders and your hips. It's going to make a huge deal. If you're fighting someone that only knows closer range, such as a Wing Chun practitioner or whatever closer range, and they only know that, they probably, most likely, are going to have a squared up structure. So you're going to be able to dominate them in this longer range when you understand what range influence is. So make sure that you have this. And then you can go to longer range strikes, right? Or if you feel comfortable to move in to the shorter range stuff. When you can dominate a range, you can dominate timing and position. And that's how you understand. And you seamlessly integrate these ranges, and man, it's very, very difficult to handle. So here is one drill you can do just simply at home without a partner. Here is my dummy, right? I'm at a longer range right now from where this is, at a longer range. If I move into shorter range, I'm immediately going into the more traditional Wing Chun structure. Prioritizing mobility, understanding that, and get that into your intuition. Habitualize it so you don't have to think about it, you feel it. So you're in this longer range, okay, you're moving around. You're in a closer range, okay, you're doing more of what traditional Wing Chun looks like.
Introducing my Wing Chun distance learning program at wingchunlessons.com. Designed to help those with a sincere interest to learn Wing Chun at home. Not everyone has access to a Wing Chun school or local instructor where they live. This Wing Chun home training program also gives you a chance to become certified and recognized under the Dragon Institute ranking system, which is a necessary first step for those who wish to become certified Wing Chun instructors. Read more at wingchunlessons.com.